Trying to clown the fuck out of you when you feel like you're running out of fuel. I show you how to use doubt as fuel, convert it to gunpowder too. Now what you do is put the match to the charcoal fluid, put the spark to it like Martha Stewart barbecue, and screw it. Feel like you wanna hit that wall, then do it. Punch through it, just cock back, put your all into it. Now you gon' take that range and make that what you raise. Never take back what you say. If you stay strapped in your brain, engaged in a steel cage match, ready to scrap base aim. Take a fist in the spot, shoulders big and smallest. You're Christopher Wallace. Now picture them all as plastic and foam that lays flat where you put your dinner plates at and set it on them like a placemat. And I want you to say that.
With every breath in my lungs, won't stop until I'm phenomenal. However long it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though, but I'll never say cause I'm born to be
mouth with no shut up valve. Can't even cut up power to it, but it's what allowed me to come up out from under the fucking ground. Cause I work my butt off now. It's a subject that I don't know how to shut up about. Cause I stuck it out like a motherfucking tongue to towel. I responded when I got shoved around. You're gonna have non-believers, but when you're beyond belief, you probably shouldn't wonder how. Get it, how you live, but are you prepared to give more than you get? And put in twice what you get back from the shit. Though what you sacrifice barely is half, never give. Rap is my shift, but it's like my shield. At the same time I wield and my knife is will. Sometimes I feel just like Be Real from Cypress Hill. How I could just kill a cipher, survivor's guilt. I rhyme like life is still an uphill climb. Ready to face any challenge, waiting can taste it. It's salivation, I wage a retaliation. Look what I have built. Reputation is validation. The only thing I'm capable of making is amazing. Only thing you're capable of making is a false statement or accusation. I'm legendary status. In fact, that is the only way you'll ever be able to say your legend is making an allegation. I write with the left, same hand I hold the mic with as I fight to the death, to my last breath. Man is to prove who the best man is. Avail it, all costs, be the only one left standing in the end. But I ain't gonna be the only one with the advantage of knowing what it's like to be southpaw. Cause you can bet your ass you'll be left-handed. Cause I am